Alright, Shalom. First and foremost, I want to give all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahushai, Ba'ashem Rakakwadash. Double honor to our apostle and elders of Great Millstone. Peace and salutation to the hopeful elect and the men that are serving in truth and sincerity to make their calling and election sure. So, coronavirus has now spread to every continent except Antarctica. Alright, coronavirus is here in America and it's expected to spread. And, we're expecting you Americans to act the fuck up. You don't know how to act anyway, So this article says public health officials warned Wednesday that the spread of the novel coronavirus is inching closer toward meeting the definition of a global pandemic. So it's already met the definition of a global pandemic. As the number of cases outside mainland China continues to grow, including in South Korea, where a U.S. soldier has tested positive for the virus. Brazil announced its first case of coronavirus today, marking the first time the virus has been reported in South America. The outbreak has now spread to 6 of the world's 7 continents. It has not reached Antarctica. Well, it's cold as fucking Antarctica, So it's not like there's any people in Antarctica for real anyway. Iran and Italy are also grappling with major outbreaks within their borders that have turned deadly. And a top official from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention warned that the United States could see the virus spread within its borders. So, hey. Coronavirus is here in the U.S. It's going to spread, okay? And you Americans, you don't even pay attention. You don't even know that, you've heard about the coronavirus, but you don't understand the severity of it, okay? And Americans are fucking, are a bunch of spoiled ass, belligerent, spoiled, belligerent idiots. Okay? So, hey, man. You people, when the coronavirus touches down in a town near you, in a neighborhood near you, you people are going to run out to the grocery stores, okay? You're going to be in the grocery stores fighting over the last bag of fucking rice, because that's just how Americans are, okay? In traffic, acting stupid, So, hey, man, then you people are going to be locked down in your houses, under quarantine if this thing spreads heavily like that, all right? And then because Americans are what we like to call fucking gluttonous, okay? Your food that you go to the grocery stores and you stock up on, you're going to eat all of that shit in a matter of a week, okay? And then, after the food runs out, you're going to seek to get out of your houses, okay? All right? People aren't going to be able to go to work. All right? All the plants are going to shut down, There's going to stop mass production, okay? You're going to have to, keep your kids inside, all right? This thing is so bad, I don't want to ratazah, I believe through the spirit and power of Yahweh Bashem Yahushai, I am a man of the Lord. He's going to protect me from this disease and protect all the brothers from this disease. But if you got a cold, if you sniffling, if you sneeze, anything, I had a guy get in my car the other day. He was fucking old guy, just coughing. I was so irritated with him, We got out the car, I had to wipe the car down in the back seat, man. Like, damn, But yeah, man, you people are going to go crazy over here in America, because you're living in pleasure. You're indulged in pleasures, okay? So, hey, man. Continuing on, it says Iran and Italy are also grappling with major outbreaks within their borders that have turned deadly, and a top official from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention warned that the United States could see the virus spread within its borders. So, hey, there you go. ultimately we expect we will see community spread in this country. It's not so much a question of if this will happen anymore, but rather more of a question of exactly when this will happen and how many people in this country will have severe illness if they don't have severe illness already, because you can carry this disease and not have any symptoms. So it pays to be a homebody and not out in the public. The director of the CDC's National Center for Immunization and Respiratory Diseases. South Korea currently has the largest outbreak outside mainland China, with more than 1,200 people infected, including the first U.S. soldier, and at least 12 dead. Iran's health ministry has confirmed at least 139 cases and 19 fatalities. In Italy, at least 374 people have been infected and 12 have been killed. Okay, wow. While Algeria, Croatia, mainland, Spain, and Switzerland all announced their first confirmed cases. Hey, so this is not leading to be a global pandemic. It is a global pandemic, okay? So, hey, man, there you have it, you know. Coronavirus is spreading here in America, okay? You people got to get ready, man. You know, this is a plague from Yahweh Ba'Shem Yahweh Shah. You know, this is 2020 year prophecy, you know. It's not nothing nice, man. So, hey, shalom.
A U.S. soldier in South Korea testing positive for the virus. He is the first American service member to become infected. Let's go to Paula Hancock's live from Camp Humphreys, headquarters of the U.S. military in South Korea. Paula, what is the containment plan there?
Well, certainly they're trying to find out exactly who he has been in contact with in recent days and try and contain the virus in that way. It's a 23-year-old male. We understand he was from Camp Carroll, which is about 12 miles away from Daegu. This is the city in the southeast of the country where most of the cases are now happening. This is the area that quarantine is being placed on around the country as well. So this is what the commander of Camp Humphreys behind me said earlier today.
That is our first case, positive case, as confirmed this morning in Daegu. We have since taken an ambulance and transported the one positive case to BDOC to be put in negative pressure isolation here on Camp Humphreys.
The alert level for USFK is at high. We are also hearing from 3 U.S. officials that we are expecting to hear the drills, those military drills between the U.S. and South Korea, will be scaled back. We're hearing from those U.S. officials that the two militaries simply can't cope with these kind of military drills at a time like this. There are huge restrictions on both militaries. We know the commander inside this base has just said that from tomorrow, from Thursday, it will be mission essential personnel only that are allowed on base. It's also only essential personnel that are allowed down to Daegu. At this point, they are telling people not to go out to restaurants. They are closing facilities on base as well, really trying to contain this as best they can.